guys, welcome back to my channel. This is SOHINI Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, as you know already, I am going to use this Swiss Beauty products. I have like full face of this. Now it's a long due video and I'm super sorry for that. I know mera galti hai, maine late kiya hai, but right now I'm just going with the video, okay? So I have some new products to try, new launches to try from Swiss Beauty, but I have used most of the products before and I love them. So let's just begin with the tutorial because yeah, you guys are waiting for the look. Alright, for primer, I am going to use this Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. This is a very good product and you can see by the packaging how much I have used it. And so I'm gonna take like 2 pumps of this and blend it all over my face. This has a very nice, okay, mera mirror thoda ghum gaya hai. This has a very nice texture and it blends very nicely. I had already moisturized my skin before, so मैं directly primer के साथ जा रही हूँ. My skin looks so glowy and so highlighted. Alright, next I'm going to use a liquid concealer. Now this is in the shade 06 and this is 04. So I like using 06 as a neutral color to cover up the dark circles and also the pigmentation. So I'm just going to apply a little bit underneath my eye and also around my mouth, because I do have pigmentation over there. Okay, I'm gonna let this concealer sit for a few seconds, but I do have their brush set right here, so I'm gonna use it today. I'm gonna use this brush to blend my concealer. Just going to tap and blend it. I also like to take it on my eyelid because I do have pigmented eyelids. I love this concealer. It has really nice coverage and also it blends like butter. Okay, I like how it's blending, but this brush is way too small to blend your concealer. I mean, if you are doing spot correct, then this is fine, but ये मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, now for foundation, I have tried their foundations before, but this is a new launch. Like, it's not launched recently, but ये काफ़ी पहले launch किया है, मैंने try नहीं किया है. So this is the Swiss Beauty Flawless Complexion Foundation, Long Wear, Weightless and Radiant Foundation. The shade I've got is 6. Which is beige sand. So let me just try this one out. Maybe I'm just gonna take this much and see how it blends. I'm going to apply all over my face. This is very thick, by the way. So I am going to use this brush. It's a buffer brush. Okay, honestly, this brush is not doing any justice, but I'm still trying to blend it. But I can still see patchy and also brush strokes. You can definitely see that. Let me just come up close. You can see the brush strokes. So I'm not going to use this brush. I'm going to use my sponge. This actually gives very nice dewy finish. Okay, so after blending the foundation, I can totally see there's little patchiness around here, which I do not like. But this is my first time using this product, so I cannot tell you guys don't buy it. I'm definitely going to try it another time, and but right now I am not liking it. For my highlighting concealer, I will be using the Swiss Beauty HD Concealer. The shade I'm using is medium beige, which is 04. You can also go for the liquid concealer, but I really like this one as well. So you have to just twist it and the products come out. Okay, now it's time for cream blush. Now this is the Cream and Tint Coral Candy Blush and it's a beautiful orangey kind of a shade. I'm gonna use this just to see how it blends. I know it doesn't match my outfit, but I don't have anything else. It has a very nice color, but the color is very neutral. So you can't even see it on camera, so I'm just going to intensify it a little more. Okay, so I do have their On The Move lip palette. I know it's a lip palette, but you can totally use it as your blush as well. So I'm gonna take one shade. I'm gonna take this one little bit and just blend it to see how it works. I'm actually taking on the back of my hand and taking it on the sponge to blend. Wow. Alright, next I have this Sculpt Lift Contour Palette, and I'm gonna use this one to set my under eyes. I'm actually mixing both of this for my contour. Alright, for my highlighter, I'm using the Fusion highlighter in the shade 05. I love this highlighter, it's so bomb. I am going to do my brows off camera because I don't have it, and I will be back. I do have this two palette from Swiss Beauty, so I'm just going to go with a very nice soft look with a lot of glitter, of course. Okay, so I'm going to use this pink mixed with this little orange shade and blend it all over my eyelid and also on my crease. Using the same on my lower lash line. And now for the blinding eye look, I'm going to mix this to liquid glitter eyeshadow. I'm going to mix 02 Diamond Dust and a 05 Rose Gold Retro. So for my mascara, I have this Twist and Turn mascara which I haven't used before. And I'm super excited to try this because the packaging is bomb. Here, if you twist this, it's going to bend out the mascara. Wow. I'm using it normally first to make it more curved and then apply. Okay, now it's time for eyelashes, and I'm gonna put this eyelashes. This is called Winky eyelash. I do have a lot of lipsticks, but I'm going to try out this lip palette only. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this one and this one. So this is the finished look. Oh my god, I absolutely love this one. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comment section below. I absolutely love all the Swiss Beauty products. The foundation is not a hit yet, but I'm gonna try it out, okay, again, and I will let you guys know. But other than that, I think you're gonna get amazing products from Swiss Beauty, and I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.